Looks good to me. Now we need to make an edge shape, right? So if this is straight, I'm gonna use this profile like this to make a thing, right? So for that, so the second cylinder is consists of two main frames, or you can say two main parts, the front and the L shape. Okay, so I'm gonna design this L shape first. Sorry, this front shape, front cylinder first. Okay, so let's just go for this particular one. Go for sketch. Okay, again the same thing. Select this thing. Go for project and make it as construction line, and turn off this one and draw a basic profile once again from the this point. If you can't see this properly, just go for this one and go for hide, right? So yeah, now it's clear. And this, I just go and see how it is. Sketch 7. Okay, so let me gonna hide the first one as well. Okay, so the distance from this to this is 16. Okay, 16. And let's see more. So the radius is 5 and 2. Okay, and the distance from this to this particular one is 51. Not this one, sorry. Particular this from this axis to this particular thing is 44. Okay, so go back here, check, press control, this and this, 44. We can delete this one, no issues. Okay, and the radius, let's just check the radius up here. Go for corner. This is 5. Another is 1 is 2. Correct. Yeah, looks good to me. And there's one more detail, is from this and to this particular thing is 68.5. Okay, so if it is in pink constraint, means it is over constraint. Okay, so we need to remove this thing, come back here, 68.5, right? So this to particular this is 68.5. Now we are good, right? So again we're gonna do the same thing. Select this all, go for offset and set it as -1, and close this particular thing point to point. Remove this particular one and make a profile. Close this as well. Sorry. Once again, line point to point. Okay, let's check if it is correct or not. Okay, it is all closed, no issues. Come back here and I'm going to revolve it again with this particular axis, 360, preview, and done. I'm gonna unhide this as well, show as well. Okay, so yeah, we are almost done. Now we need to make another thing like a L shape, right? So for that, we need to draw a sketch in this, right? So come back here and go for, make sure it is not hidden. Okay. And okay, this is a profile created, right? Like a L shape, right? So this is in sketch 8. So let's check the dimensions of it. 55, and this is 30, right? And the distance from this to the center is 98.5. Okay, so we need to delete this as well, but yeah, for our reference we have to make this. So let's just go for middle plane, XY plane, go for sketch. Okay, so again make from the center. First of all we need to make a projection of it and make it construction line. Okay, if once it is done, we need to again do that thing, go for like this. Okay, let's just make this projection as well for our reference, because if it is not there we cannot place the point, right? So like this, if you want to have a look, right, it looks like this. Okay, okay, let's just connect. So this to this should be in coincident, and this, okay, let's just make a line as well. Okay, to join this two, it is done. Now time to dimension it. So this is a corner, right? This corner of 30, remaining is, let's check how much it is. It is 55, right? We need to delete this particular dimension. So okay, still it is showing me over constraint. Okay, so let's just Control Z, so this will be available again. Let's just delete this thing. As we know, it is 55, right? But there's one more thing, it is still pink. So let's just delete this as well. And okay, let's see, distance from this to this is 98.5. Okay, looks good to me. Let's just go back and go for a sweep command. Okay, this is a sweep command, and I need this one, a circle with a radius. No, circle with a radius is a sweep which I'm looking for. Profile is this, guided curve. Okay, where's the sweep command? This is a sweep, and oh, this one, center with radius, the third option, and a center with radius. Okay, go for what is the radius of it? Let me check. So this sweep is 16 in radius. 16, okay. 16 in radius, and let's see. Yeah, it is developed, right? So but the problem is it is not a surface, it's just a surface. There's no thickness to it, right? So we need to add a thickness. So let's just say close surface, right? And for that we need to hide this particular two things. Go for close surface, select object to close. Yeah, is it gonna work? Yeah, it did work, right? Now if it is totally solid, we need to go for a command called shell. Select this, the starting points of it, right, like this, and the default thickness is 1 mm inside, right? So that's it. Yeah, it looks good. Go for hide the, sorry, not this one, we're gonna hide the sweep. Yeah, looks good. The elbow is ready. So hide, show. Yeah, now it is complete, right? So I'm gonna just gonna hide all the sketches so we can see it clearly. Plus I'm gonna hide all the sketch, sorry, this planes, right? Plus now this problem, we got a intersection right up here, so we need to trim it. So there's one very powerful tool called um union trim, right? I'm gonna use this. For this particular thing we need to select it carefully. So volume to trim is this one, and cutting volume is, let me, okay, cutting volume is, let me check, is this one, right? And face to remove is particularly this, right? Face to keep is this, check, and done. See, we got a perfect inlet as well, right? And it's complete. The trim is complete. I can see the difference up here, right? Okay, so thanks for watching. It is done. If you want to add a few more details to it, you can add, but this is the main structure that is required, right? Thanks for watching.